Hello everyone, this is Moshe the Electric Israeli, and today's video is quick update on a video I did yesterday regarding Tesla Model 3's epic sales in the month of August. Just to remind you, actually just to clarify, that Tesla does not release their monthly sales. They do it quarterly. So the sales numbers that I give you, that I find and from different sources, are estimates. So one source estimates 17,800, and one source I read this morning estimated over 20,040, something like that. Be that as it may, it's over 17,000 and then some. So so not only that Tesla Model 3 has tremendous EV sales, it accomplished three things. Number one, Tesla Model 3 is a mainstream car. I don't care. I get these comments all the time and they start to be annoying. I don't care if you said, the pre-orders for you from years ago and then they're just fulfilling. Again, A, you didn't have to make a reservation. B, you didn't have to put money down. And C, you could have canceled. All right, so I don't want to hear that. If you didn't want it, you didn't get it. So obviously, people who made the reservations are not getting it. And there's plenty more to go. So that's number one. Number two, so it is a mainstream car, period, end of sentence. Number two, it outsold all the BMW sedans combined, which is for the month of August, which is staggering. And number three, there's a four also. Number three is that in here I'm going to put a banner for you. It is now in the top five of all sedan sales of the month of August. Number one is, for example, Toyota Camry with a little bit over 30,000. So it is in the top five of sedans of all kinds. Okay, and that is an incredible achievement. And number four is it's number 15 in all car sales. So it's number 5 in the sedan segment and number 15 in all car sales. For example, number 1 is the F-150 of Ford, the Ford F-150. I think 88,000. So so that is an incredible achievement. And there's one more thing I don't want to hear anymore. Are they going to sustain these sales? Not only going to sustain this, they're going to grow it. Tesla Model 3 will sell 500,000 cars in America probably next year or the year after, barring catastrophic events or something apocalyptic. If everything goes the way it is, that's going to be achieved, and that's going to be achieved easily. Okay, it has to do with productions and all that. If all goes well, they should do that, and that is an incredible achievement. That's by far more than just a proof of concept. The electric cars can be better than regular cars. They can go as far as you want. They can be charged. Those questions have been answered decisively, and myself and many others are living proof. I drive an 80 miles range car for the past 3 years, and I have almost 38,000 miles in it. No range anxiety, and been serving me perfectly. So a 300 plus car, and that number is going to grow in the future. Is that argument has now completely and absolutely and totally settled. And there should be no more argument. This is a mainstream car that can serve you for 100% of your needs. 100, not 95, 100. And that's awesome. That is an awesome, not let alone that's a great, beautiful car, functional, powerful, fast, beautiful. You name it, you got it. All right? So that's the update. In a day or two, I will give you the total number of EVs sold. Again, it's a record-breaking a month for EVs, and last year's 199,000 record will be shattered soon. It's way before the end of this year. So that's that for now. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you have any comments or questions. Meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. And support this awesome channel by becoming a patron or shop at the Electric Israeli store. And I'll see you tomorrow, guys.